How to fix friend request not showing on your Snapchat account. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your Snapchat is up to date in order to get rid of some minor glitches and bugs that has been installed with the previous versions. Now, to do that, you want to navigate through the App Store or Google Play Store, of course depending on the device that you are using. Since I am on the Apple device or iOS device right here, I'll just go ahead and open up my App Store, and inside you want to search Snapchat. In here, if you cannot go ahead and see an update button on the Snapchat page, it means that you are already installed with the latest version of Snapchat. Now, the second method in order for you to fix the problem is by heading over to the general settings right here. Inside, click on General, iPhone Storage, and you want to look for Snapchat. Inside Snapchat, just go ahead and click on the Offload app, and right after, go ahead and click on the Reinstall app. Now, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.